Here's an unboxing and review of my Kibiy rotary head shaver. This is my second one of these, and they work great. I've been shaving my head on and off for the last 10 years, and used to use a face shaver, and this is much better as it has 7 larger heads that can cover more surface area faster. Each head is flexible and does a nice job getting into all the contours of my head, and I don't need to use a big type razor to touch anything up afterwards. Cleaning it is pretty easy too. Just open up each blade compartment and shake or brush out over a garbage can. And I use a little bit of shaving oil to make it go smoother, and put a little bit on each head.